You searched how to buy shares of Spruce Biosciences Inc. Spruce is a clinical stage biopharma focused on endocrine and related therapies, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SPRB. This is educational content only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, which typically requires a government ID, and add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SPRB to find Spruce Biosciences Inc. Then select the NASDAQ-listed result that matches the company name. On the stock page, review the company overview, read basic information, and check the live price chart to confirm you have the correct Spruce Biosciences Inc. listing. To place an order, choose the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set for execution at market open, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After confirmation, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it, and a link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform.